municipalities and barangays. I would like to make a roll call also for Mr. Erwin and Mrs. Yolanda Pascua. Do we have them? Hi, ma'am. Okay. Mr. Jojo and Mrs. Serfin Acoba. Palakpakan natin yan. Mrs. Merlina Akbang. Hello, Ma'am Merlina Akbang. Mr. Rolando Thailand. Do we have him already? Andito na ba si Sir Roland Thailand? Mr. Federico Salvador Jr. Okay. Mr. Modesto Rosqueta. Palakpakan tayo man, guys. Mr. Arturo Agunoy, Mrs. Maria Thailand, Mrs. Caridad Gawing, and Mrs. Justina Tolentino. Palakpakan natin yon. At dapat ito Mrs. Red Barangay, Miss Maria Angeline Barangay, Mr. John Dave Herrera, Mr. Willie Toribio, Ariel Toribio, Miss Sonia Toribio, and Mr. and Mrs. Maricel Mendoza. Palakpakan po natin all generous sponsors and balikbayans for the rest of your fiesta. But for now, one more dance before nag-start tayo Kinetay program, and this is the LA Walk. So DI, pwede ba?